everyone, thank you so much for watching. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this Sultry Smokey eye look. I'm only using 2 shades and it's pretty easy to recreate. So I'm starting off by using the shade Smarty Pants from the Tarte palette. Any nude shade will do, something close to your natural skin tone, and this is going to be applied on top of the lid. I'm mainly concentrating this on the center of the lid. I'm now going to take the shade Activist, which is a soft black shade, and I'm going to be applying this in the crease, outer part of the eye and then the inner part of the eye, almost creating like a half a circle type of shape. And I'm using a fluffy blending brush. And you want to blend this well around the edges. Next I'm going to use the same shade but with a pencil brush, and I'm applying this on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to line my waterline with some black eye pencil. I'm going to be curling my lashes before I apply my falsies. And then just adding some mascara to blend the lashes together. For my inner highlight, I'm using the shade Funny Girl. I'm applying this on top of the black shade so it creates like a gunmetal type of colour. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. It's pretty easy to recreate. And you can use any neutral palette that you already have. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I upload weekly, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!